So when you first came to Melbourne, did you go to the city and do that hook turn?
Well, we lived in the city.
Oh, so you're, oh my gosh. You know when we went to go pick up the keys for the rental place in the city, I nearly crashed 3 times. Because I didn't know anything.
You didn't know anything about the hook turn.
About the hook turn, and I was like, "What the hell?" So I got out of the car, and I asked the guy behind me, "What is this? Why are you beeping at me?" He goes, "You're supposed to turn at the red light," and I was like, "Why are you turning at the red light for? It's supposed to be
backwards."
Green. Yeah. So that's why I wanted to ask you.
That's dangerous.
That's why I never go to the city.
Even though I know how the hook turn works, it still feels dangerous, eh? Because I'm like assuming that everyone else knows.
Man, that's why we usually catch the train to the city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe let's explain to people that might not know what a hook turn is.
Oh, sorry, you guys.
So basically, a hook turn only applies in certain parts of Melbourne CBD.
Yeah.
I don't know why exactly. I figure it's for the trams, maybe.
Yeah, probably. But it's stupid.
But the way that it works is, so like at an intersection, if you want to turn right, you have to get into the left lane. And so when you're waiting to turn right, you're in the left lane and cars are driving past you on your right. And so when it turns red for you, then you're supposed to turn. And then you end up on that right lane and you're in front of that lane going forward.
And then it's like a mad rush because you have to wait, go, and then it goes green.
Especially if you're like the second or third driver. And some people are cheeky, the fourth one, they're trying to get in there.
Because when we're watching it, when we catch the train into the city, and I was just watching people at the hook, I was just like,
see how it works.
Yeah, that's why I never go to the city, guys.
But see, like, I'm always worried because when I'm waiting in the left lane to turn right, and then it goes orange, and then red, this car's on the right of me still trying to make the orange,
God. That's just pretty.
And then I gotta make sure that no one's trying to run a red light, and I'm turning.
Yeah, see, and then you don't know if the oncoming cars are. Oh God, that's like. Oh.
But then to not know any of that, bro, that's dangerous, man.
Man, it was dangerous when you went to go pick up the rental keys.
Yeah, would have been. Yeah, but catching a tram is pretty good, eh? Especially if you live in the city.
Oh yeah, it would be.
It's all catching a tram now. I think it's still free. Just jump on any tram, get anywhere. It's better than driving a car around the city.
Oh gosh, even trying to look for a park when we were there. Oh my gosh! And next minute, go look for a parking. Oh, $65. Bloody Melbourne.
It can be. Yeah.
And we're only there for 20 minutes. Oh gosh. That's Melbourne for you, but amazing opportunities here, man.